there, I'm Christina from hairromance.com, and today I've got a heap of hairstyles for curly hair to go with your glasses. So let's get started. For the high bun, you'll need an elastic, and I love Invisibobbles because they won't leave a dent in your hair. I'm starting with an easy style that's also one of my go-to everyday hairstyles. You just need to put all of your hair on top of your head. I often flip upside down to do this to make it a little bit easier. And then when it's in exactly the right spot, pull the elastic over, and then you want to twist your elastic and flip the ponytail forward. Now, as you pull your hair through, leave the ends out to create a loop bun. If your hair is longer, leave the loop about the same size as mine, and you can wrap the ends around the base of your ponytail, leaving the ends out. If you have any loose layers, you can tuck them in or pin them with a bobby pin. This bun hairstyle is honestly a fave, and if we meet randomly in the street, I'll probably be wearing this bun. Before starting on the pony, work out how you like the front of your hair to sit. This is step one with all of my up styles, and I like to leave these shorter pieces out to soften the style. Now for the twists. The first section is at the edge of your forehead. Twist it up and back and pin it at the back of your head by weaving a bobby pin through. I like to go in the direction of the twist so that it's held really well. Twist 2 is repeating that same step over on the other side, twisting it up and back and crossing it over twist 1. And then pin it in place with a bobby pin. Twist 3 is above your ear, exactly the same up and back and crossing it over. And our final twist 4 is the same as 3, but on the other side. Now you could leave your hair here, but I'd like to create a ponytail with one more twist. I'm taking a little section of hair at the side, twisting it and wrapping it around to create the ponytail. And then just take a bobby pin to secure that twist and pin it in place underneath. Now these top twists can look a little puffy and make your hairstyle look a little square at the top. So I'm going to tighten them by adding a bobby pin through the twist so they don't unravel at the top. I love this twist on a ponytail, and it can work for all medium length hair and for very long hair too. I'm taking this section for this half up, around above the temples of my hair, leaving all the rest of my hair down. And I give it a little shake, which helps remove any of the curls that are just hitching a ride in the top section but aren't really connected. Now I'm taking a hair bungee. These are amazing for long or curly hair, as you don't need to pull your hair through. You take one of the hooks and place it at the base of your ponytail, and then wrap the other around until you get the perfect fit. That little hook does love to grab your hair, but if you flip your pony over and move it around as you're twisting, it's easy to do. And then when it feels tight, hook the other end into your hair. With a bungee, it's never too loose or tight. It's a bungee. Okay, look, I've got to stop. You could actually leave this style here just as a half up pony like this, but I promised you a bun, so here goes. Loosely wrap your hair around and tuck the ends underneath. Then we're going to take some bobby pins, and I want to just pin the edges of the bun down. I'm going just to hook a little bit of hair at the edge of the bun and then twist my pin over and through underneath. Pinning at the edges helps the bun to sit wider and flatter and makes your hair look a little bit thicker as well. To revive those underneath layers of my hair that haven't been out yet, I'm just using a leave-in conditioner spray. This is Shea Moisture Spray, and I'll link it below. I don't know where that little piece came from. I was going to cut this out, but it's better to show you how I fix things. I'm going to twist it around into the bun and then tuck it under. The good thing with curls is that it stays in place, but you could use a bobby pin if you need to. And that's it for this simple half up bun. For this bun, I'm using my trusty bungee again to create a low ponytail. Leave out any layers around your face. It's easier than trying to pull them out of the ponytail later. Hook one end of the bungee in and wrap it around until it's just right for your hair. To add back in a little bit of volume, I'm loosening a few sections above the pony. Now it's time for the scarf. I'm using a scarf that's 50 centimeters square and folding it diagonally, and then just roll it up. And we're going to take another hair elastic and place it at the middle of the scarf. This makes it easy to attach to your ponytail without losing any length of the scarf. Now to connect that scarf, we're going to do a plait, which is a basic 3-strand braid, with your hair as one section and the other scarf pieces as the 2 sections of the braid. Cross them over all the way down, and when you get to the end of your hair, tie the 2 scarf pieces together just to secure them. Or if your hair is longer, you can use a little small clear elastic to hold it in place. Now to create the bun, just wrap that plait around and pin the edges in place with a bobby pin. I love the pop of colour and pattern that the scarf adds to this hairstyle, and it can look so different depending on the scarf that you choose. And I also love this as a great trick if you have fine hair. Using a thicker scarf makes your hair look so much thicker as well and really helps the bun stand out. Have fun with any type of scarf for this style. This is my ponytail trick to fake longer hair without extensions. You'll need 2 hair elastics, and I start by styling the front, of course, and then we're going to work out where the top ponytail section is. This has to be a diagonal section from your temple up to your crown. And this is because you don't want too much hair in the top section. You want the split close to 40-60 with more hair in the bottom ponytail. So take your time creating this top section so that you have that 40-60 split between the 2 ponies. Once you've got that top section, secure it high at the back of your head with a hair elastic, or you could also use a hair bungee for this step too. Now flip that top pony out of the way so that we can get onto the second ponytail. You want this second ponytail to sit around about level with your ears. Once it's in place, secure it with a hair elastic and make sure it's nice and tight. Then flip pony 1 back and we've got the illusion of 1 long ponytail. Oh, well, actually, I think the ponytail 2 might be a little bit low, so I'm going to move it up a smidgen so that it hits a better spot. It's not that different, but just moving it up a centimetre can make a big difference in where the hair meets. Now for my next trick, it's 90s jaw clips. These accessories make a big difference by placing them at the base of your ponytail. This helps them stand up and gives them a really strong foundation. Then I take a tiny clip and use it to connect the ponytails together. I'm using my leave-in to refresh my curls again, and that's linked below. And that is how you fake long hair without extensions. Now I wasn't sure about leaving this style in, and you'll see why in a second. I've parted my hair in the middle and I'm leaving out some layers at the front. The trick to getting the sections right for this is to go diagonally from your temple to your center part. And I'm doing that little shake. This helps to drop out those curls that are attached almost to the ends of the hair but aren't meant to be part of that section. It helps you get a cleanish section and so that you have the right amount of hair for each bun. Now I'm taking my hair elastic, just like the hairstyle 1, the high bun. I'm creating a loop bun, but with the ends out at the back. Then we wrap those ends around the elastic and fan out the bun. Take a bobby pin and secure the edges of the bun, particularly on the side that's touching the part line. You can see I'm not quite sure yet, but let's do bun number 2. We want these to match, so it's the same sectioning process, and we do a loop bun again. And wrap the ends around, going up and over. Getting these buns to match can be easy or hard depending on how your hair is behaving. A few little bobby pins though can help them sit exactly where you want. Part of me loves this style, which is why you're watching it now in this video. But part of me also feels a little bit like a kids' TV presenter. I think it's the pink hair. But I really love this style when I see others wearing it. Please show me how this style looks in your hair. This is a cute style and I want to see how you wear it. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to know which is your favourite hairstyle and which were your favourite glasses. I think these are mine. But leave a note in the comments and let me know your suggestions for my next video. And over on hairromance.com you can find all the tutorials and photos as well. Have fun with your hair and I'll see you soon. Bye.